If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm super happy to introduce you to the Alexandra handbag. This is a Kaur threads pattern. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So my absolute favorite feature of this bag is what's behind this front pocket here. So this pocket here is held securely with a turn lock as well as two magnetic snaps. And once you open it up, wait for it, it's a wallet. So on one side, you have 8 card slots, as well as a large pocket for bills or receipts. On the opposite side, you have a zipper pocket, and then this slip pocket here. So I have an iPhone 15 Max, so I have the largest iPhone there is currently. And look how perfect it fits inside that slip pocket. Perfect cell phone pocket. And it does up perfectly. You can't even tell it's in there. Yeah. Now this one does have, there's two options for this bag. You can have it with this, or you could just have it with a slip pocket that is held with a magnetic snap. But I tell you, this option is just, it's perfection. On the back side, we have a large zipper pocket. Purse feet on the bottom. Hidden connector, strap connectors. Crossbody strap. Recessed zipper. And on the inside is my typical linings. I have 2 slip pockets on one side and a zipper pocket on the other side. I just love this bag. I think I've been hoarding myself some leather. I think I'm going to be making myself one of these in that leather. This is just the perfect bag for it. So yeah, you can see it's a medium-sized handbag. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's just right. This is also the bag that we are doing in the Thursday, November 2023 classes on the membership side of the channel. So that also means that at the end of November 2023, whenever you are watching this, it may already be released, but there will be a tutorial released on this one once those classes are finished. So if you're part of the bag makers community, make sure you check that out. This is a bag you will definitely want to make. And if you're one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below in the description. Just shoot me an email and we will get you all situated. Anyways, until the next one, I'll see you guys again. Bye.